Happy Friday, Forest Night out in St. Louis. Very, very quickly, I'm getting a lot of buzz, a lot of people asking me how I did this, right? How I put this QR code, let me get in front of the camera, how I put this QR code on the back. Let me scoot that over a little bit. How I put this QR code on the back of a shirt. And well, I actually didn't do it. I just generated the code or got the code and gave it to my awesome wife, and she made the shirt. So I'll qualify that you with this. If you want, you can get anybody to make the shirt. Totally up to you. But I'm going to show you how to generate the QR code. If you'd like, my wife will make it for you. There is a cost, of course. The shirt that I'm actually wearing has the same QR code on the back. It's 100% polyester. And then she does like what she calls sublimation on the back, which is a pretty cool process. Small, medium, large start at about $24. So if it's something you want, reach out to me, let me know. All you really got to do is shoot me your URL. I can create the QR code on this end after you pay my wife, and we can create a shirt for you. And just let us sort of know what color you want, and we'll go from there. So typically light colors like a light blue, a pink. I did one on a red shirt, which was pretty cool. The ink's all going to be black, just so you know. It's going to be black ink on some type of light color. We cannot do black shirts with like white ink. It will not work. You could if you do vinyl, but her trying to pick out all the code thing, it's not even going to work. So it has to be sublimation. It's got to be 100% polyester. So anyway, that's the part of that. If you do, again, if you want a shirt like this, then you can go to any shirt shop and get them to do it for you if that's something that you want. And of course, just as you walk around, you can put any kind of message. Mine just says "scan me" on the back, right? I'm walking around the mall today. Somebody scanned it, and I got a customer. So I'll take it all day long. Let me tip this calendar down just a little bit. My dog is walking around. Oh no, what are you doing, dude? Sit down. Sit down. I'm doing a live. Go somewhere. Go on. Out. Thank you. So anyway, so let me show you how to generate a QR code here really quick. If you're over on LinkedIn or YouTube, you have any questions, it's very easy. There's QR code generators out there. I'm going to show you the Chrome extension one. Hopefully it works. It should. That's not what I want to do. I want to do screen share. Share the screen. Also, if you are in St. Louis, you're going to be in St. Louis. You're here tomorrow. You live in St. Louis. Come out and join me. We're actually doing a St. Louis launch for our Forex education platform and business platform here tomorrow from about 9:30 to 1 o'clock. Come out and hang out with me. Make sure you reach out to me. Let me know you want to attend. Shoot me a text or message me on Facebook. Text number is 314-498-7688. Or you can actually go to that link that's scrolling right across the bottom of the screen right now. It's forex.xtrmfx.pro. You can go there and register. It'll alert me that you want to attend. Plan on being there for roughly 9:30 to 1. It's going to be awesome. My goal or my mission is to create legacies. If you have kids, and I'm talking to the moms, dads and moms that are in that 18, 19-year-old range, and you're thinking like, do I want to spend tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars to send them to college, or would it be cool for them to learn how to trade? Well, our trading education platform is absolutely off the chain. Cool. Matter of fact, we had a young 18-year-old who just made $4,000 because he learned how to trade using our platform. So I'm just saying, income disclaimer that not all people can do that, but if you don't learn how to trade, you definitely can't. And I'm on that bandwagon. I'm on a mission to create no more empty refrigerators and create equity in people's homes. And I truly believe that if we can take our young people and teach them how to trade, moms, work, stay-at-home moms, whatever you do, if you can learn how to trade and you got a little bit of extra money hanging out, if you're dead broke, probably not a good idea. But if you've got some discretionary income that you can, I mean, it's awesome. So I'm just let me get off the bandwagon. So I created this page here just a few minutes ago. It took me all of 10 minutes, and I do this stuff all day long. So please don't get hung up on creating pages. I would, however, suggest if you're in network marketing and you have some type of presentation video, that you create some type of landing page for it. So you're not just sending them the video link with a call to action at the bottom. You see, this is got a call to action on the bottom here. It says it's trading right for you. Click here to learn more. And it actually goes into a full-blown presentation. This video right here is just a little marketing type kind of video I just threw up. But that's not the point of what I wanted to train you guys today. You'll notice this has a website address up here. It's a URL that I've got, and I want to generate a QR code for this. So first thing I want to do, and you can find QR code generators everywhere. I like to use the one. So you just search Chrome QR code generator. Now, if you're using some other browser, you'll have to figure that out. I'm talking Chrome. If you're using Explorer, something else, just maybe look for a QR code generator. Going to create a QR code. I'm going to add it to Chrome. Add extension. It's checking. It was added to Chrome up here somewhere. Let me go find it. I may need to extensions. Let's see. I can unpin that. Where'd you go? There it is. I want to pin that to the top. And I believe, yep, that's it right there. So I've added that to my Chrome browser. Now I've got to do is simply click on it. It's going to open up here, and I need to paste in my website address. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to grab my website address. I'm going to copy it, come over here to my Chrome deal. We'll back that out, and we'll go bam. And there you are. I've created a QR code. Now I can download it, put it in HD, create a logo, or put it in bulk fashion. I want to click the download button. It's going to download for me into a PNG. I'm not sure if you guys can see this down here, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to show in the folder. I'm going to grab the folder, and I can put this. It says exported QR code, so I can find that. So I can put this basically anywhere that I want to. It's in a PNG format, which of course my wife can use. And like I said, very, very easy process. I now have a QR code. So what I can do now is put it in the pictures. You got it over here into my picture side. I'm going to come down here and just open this up. And to I think it was exported QR code generator, right? Where you at? You guys see I do a lot of messing around with logo creation stuff. Pretty sure. Did I put it in filters? Or no, I put it in pictures. There it is. So there's the code. There's the code right there. You can see it. It's popped up on the screen. So if you scan that code with your phone, it should take you to this page. So there's the page. Just minimize this a little bit here. Let's get that out the way. So this QR code, if you scan it, should take you to this page right here. Let's see. Let me grab my trusty iPhone. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open up my camera. All right. I'm going to come over here. My camera grabbed it. My phone grabbed it. I'm not sure if you can see this. It grabbed it. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to open it up. And look at that. It took me right to the page because I scanned it. So I can take this code now. Of course, I can take this code right here and I can put it on the back of a t-shirt. I can put it on stickers, like if I'm doing marketing stuff. If I want to do a marketing piece and I want to print out a label and I want to put on a marketing piece, I can create my QR code, put it on a marketing piece. You can put them on just about anything. Maybe you can put the QR code on a deal and put it on the window of your car, on one of those window cling things. You can put it on your car. It says "Scan Me," right? And of course, at the top, of course, you'd have to put the when you're creating the artwork, put "Scan Me" at the top. So if you got some value, let me do a stop screen share here. If you got some value from that, appreciate it. Feel free to use it. Hopefully, it helps you. Yes, you can save it, Tamara. Save it as a PNG or a JPEG. Save it either way. Make sure it's clear. Yeah, you can save it. This actually auto-saved as a PNG file, which is fine. If you're going to use it for anything else, you can print that right onto the label. So just save it somewhere in your picture file. make sure you name it, because a lot of times you can have different QR codes for different things, meaning how do you get it to your wife? Oh, well, so what I would simply need is your website address. I just need the website address. I'll create the QR code. That way you don't have to worry about doing that, and I'll get it to my wife. I would just need a website address. If you want to order a shirt, just message me, shoot me a text, 314-498-7688, and we can talk about that. My wife here, we can talk about getting, what kind of size and color options you want for you, and what kind of messaging you want on the back. Again, mine just says, just really simply, scan me, right? It says scan me. So depending on how creative you want to get in your marketing, you can do, maybe you lost some weight. It says, lost 34 pounds, ask me how, scan me, right? Or something like that. It depends on what you want to do for your messaging and your marketing. We'll size it so it's scannable on the back of a shirt. You cannot put it on the front of a shirt, because I'm just sorry, there's too many bumps and curves going on the front for it to work. But again, you can use the QR code. Tamara, one thing that you can do is, like I said, I put it on sticky labels. Let's see if I can find the batch. And I went to Walmart and I bought some labels, and I created like a cool little scan me thing for labels. And I can stick these labels on just about anything that I want to stick them on. Again, wherever I want to stick them, somebody can scan them, and it has my contact. I put my phone number and a website address too, because some people, like, if they have an older Android phone, for some reason it doesn't work to get the scan stuff up. It definitely works on all iPhones, and most of the newer Androids will scan it just with a camera. You can also download an app called a QR code scanner and use that for people. So very, very cool. So the fabric, yes. So here's the deal. If you're going to do it yourself, right, it works best if you're using sublimation. And if you're not familiar with these terms, I learned them from my wife. Sublimation on polyester. That's what this shirt is. It's also wicking. Like if you're into athletics, golf shirts work great. The guys that wear golf shirts, now those are super expensive. This shirt right here cost me $6. I scanned the code on the back. My wife made it for me. Got it from Walmart. So there's lots of different materials. Again, it's a more of a wicking type, kind of sports type kind of wicking shirt, 100% polyester. Then there's the 100% polyesters that feel more like cotton. Those would probably be the ones that she'd make them on. And there's various colors that she can do on that, depending on what you want your brand color to be and how you want that set up. But yeah, she can do that for you. We'll scan the code on the back with your messaging. I would suggest saying just scan me and put it on the back of your shirt. And then, of course, you can save your QR code. Once I generate the QR code for you, I can email it over to you. You can save it to your file or whatever you want to do. So totally up to you. Appreciate you. Love you. Hopefully you got some value. I just thought I'd share this. I get a lot of people asking me, like, where'd you get the shirt? Oh, my wife made it for me. That's what she does. That's her. She's got a wearable fashion boutique right down the hall. So she can do just about anything for anybody. She does masks and shirts and bags and all kinds of stuff. Absolutely. Absolutely. Appreciate you. Love you. I love you. Jesus loves you. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators, make an extreme impact, and be an equity creator. And again, if you're in St. Louis and you want to come and hang out with me for the launch of the St. Louis market for our Forex trading platform, reach out to me. And again, anywhere in the world, if you just want to learn Forex trading, you want to get some inside scoop on it, you just want some information on it, message me, let me know. I'll give some info on it. And who knows, you could be maybe the next Forex trading millionaire. Who knows? I'm just saying, I'm just throwing that out there. Appreciate you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.